I've been testing this protective wrap for my camera gear and I really like it, but it's not perfect and it starts with the unboxing. The brand is called PGYTECH. I'm just going to call it PGYTECH. You can get the wrap in many different sizes and designs. Mine is size medium and the design is called Doodle. You can learn more with a link in the description below the video. The wrap comes in a simple paper bag, so that's a really good start packaging wise. But inside they have two things wrapped in plastic, completely unnecessary. The first one is a little business card with a couple of QR codes, and the second one are these PGYTECH stickers. They do not need to be in plastic bags. The wrap itself has a simple paper sleeve with a PGYTECH logo. That's more like it. The doodle design on the wrap is exactly as pictured, but when I see it in real life, I wish I would have ordered one of the designs that has a more minimalistic style. This doodle design is a lot. The inside of the wrap has this gray surface and the outside has the colored design, and you can use this in your wrapping. The inside sticks to the outside, but the inside does not stick to the inside and the outside does not stick to the outside. So there's no contact there. But if I fold the edge here, the inside will nicely cling to the outside. There are many different ways to wrap your gear. You can make a little pouch, you can make a roll or a square. I'm happy that I got the medium-sized wrap because I can fit two pieces of gear in here at the same time. The wrap protects against scratches and bumps, but not really against falls. My main use case for the wrap is when I have to throw some gear loose in my backpack or in my camera bag. Now that could be lights, lenses, or batteries. I've had the PGYTECH wrap now for 6 months and I really like it. Learn more about pricing and availability with a link in the description below. Speaking of backpack, click or tap the screen right here to watch my review of my favorite backpack, the Osprey Farpoint. Check out that video on the screen now. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews and I will see you in the next video.